no trees, there's no leaves on the trees right now because it's winter time. They're gonna come back in the spring.
But there's literally trees on there. Look,
I know.
there's so much outside.
I know. It's pretty in the winter time, right? What do you want to do for the rest of the day?
Let's watch. First, let's play in the snow. Then let's watch movies, Christmas movies, and then I think we should just play in the snow.
Yes, Lee.
Show the vlog that I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna fall in the snow.
Alright, go. Show
Okay.
the vlog the way to go. He's gonna climb up and then jump off in the snow.
Yeah.
Challenge.
Yes, it seems like.
Go, girl, be careful.
Okay, I'm scared.
There you go.
You ready?
Okay,
3,
2, 1, jump. Whoa. That snow's nice and soft right now.
Yeah.
Perfect for jumping in.
Yeah, perfect for me falling. Now I'm gonna double jump.
Double jump?
Yeah.
Alright, go over here.
Okay, so first we go backwards, closest.
You're
I
crazy.
think we need to go over here.
You're crazy, bro. You're like a daredevil.
What's a daredevil?
Somebody that does crazy things and is not afraid. Go.
This is hard, so I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah. This is scary
Mark.
because there's that part. This one's scary.
Ready, work. Get set.
Go!
Whoa. Snow days are so much fun, eh, Lee?
Snow on there. No, I don't put lots of snow on there so I can slip and fall.
Snow days are so fun, now, Lee.
Yeah.
We have to enjoy the last few snow days because winter's soon finished. And then it's going to be summer.
Yay! It's going to be summer, so we're going to do fun stuff. I'm already slipping off since I need to slip before.
Summer's my favorite season.
Huh?
Summer's like my favorite season.
Summer and winter are my favorite
Yeah.
season because we can do crazy stuff, and if we fall, we don't get hurt.
Definitely. Winter's cool, but summer's my favorite because we go outside, we swim, we can ride a scooter,
I know, but
play on our bike,
if we fall,
go for walks.
if we fall, we get hurt.
I know,
But
but
if
we don't fall.
We don't get hurt. No, we don't fall.
We don't fall. You're
Yeah.
a professional.
You ready?
Ready?
Okay, so,
Go.
okay, let me slip a little more. Are you ready? Set, go!
Silly.
Oh, yeah.
It's not gonna break, Lee. It's frozen. It won't break. Yeah.
But how are we supposed to get the shovel out to
Yeah,
deep snow?
You can't. It has to defrost. You may bring it inside. The shovel's stuck, bro.
Yeah, look.
I know.
Other stuff in here. Look. Other stuff.
Okay, leave it.
Should we? Whoa!
Bro, that's crazy.
Ew.
Ew, Lee. Put it down, man. It's dirty. Bro,
Ew.
it's frozen water from the raid.
Ew.
Now it's all over your pants, bro. Oh,
my
man.
gosh, look at this though. This is crazy. Maybe it turned yellow from the shovel. Right?
Yep.
Maybe it turned
Right.
yellow from the shovel. I'm trying to find a ball and find an ice ball. We like get all
I see a ball right there
Where?
under the tree.
I see.
Yeah.
But we need to catch. Or we can stop her with it.
Challenge. Do a challenge to see how fast you can run around. I'll time you to go around the whole grass and come back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. To run? I know.
In the snow.
Try to go over there in the deeper snow.
Okay.
It's too deep. You can't even walk, bro. A what? A bat? What kind of bat?
I found a ball
I know. I see a ball too.
right there.
I know.
See ya?
Soccer in the winter?
Soccer.
Soccer in the winter, Lee? The best sport. Nothing more fun than playing soccer in the winter. You doing cartwheels? Hmm?
Kick it.
Go, go, go. Back to school tomorrow, Lee? Let's go inside, have a lunch break. Whoa, that's super cool, Mom. Where'd you learn that?
Another cool trick.
Go, let me see. Another cool one. Holy.
I touched the ball.
You're like a gymnastics, eh?
I touched the ball too.
Go, go. Do it over the ball. Gee, holy. Daddy's got to put you in one of them gymnastics classes. That's what you're saying? Can we sign you up?
Turn me back up.
Yeah? Got you. Come, practice some more soccer. Gotta keep playing. This is a fun sport. And you gotta practice, right? So you could play on the soccer team in the summer. Right, Lee? You gotta be the best. So every day you gotta practice, practice, practice. So you can win every day. Facts. You gotta keep practicing. You know what I'm saying? You already have a really good kick, Mom. You gonna be a soccer player? Oh, it's gonna be a power kick? Holy! You swing off of the tree? Go. Whoa! Bro, all this playing, you're gonna be super tired just now. You're gonna go inside and fall asleep like that.
Tired.
You're tired now? Come, let's do some more laps. Let me see. Some more soccer. And then we'll go in 5 minutes, then a lunch break. 5 minutes, lunch break. Inside, play some games. Watch a movie. Nintendo Switch.
Dad,
Let's do it up.
watch a video.
Hmm?
Watch a video.
Hmm?
Look at my Snow Angel Jag fan.
Comment down below if that's a perfect snow angel.
Comment down below if that's a perfect Snow Angel.
Oh, I think that looks perfect.
Me too.
And do one more? You should teach them step by step how to do a snow angel.
So first, you lay down in the snow.
That's step 1. Lay down in the snow.
And then you put your legs and arms up and down.
And then you move your legs and arms up and down. Step 2.
And that's how you make a snow angel.
And
Make sure
that's-
you do it for long like that, Angel.
And that's how you make a snow angel. Good job, Lee.